Good morning to all of you. This is the second part of the chapter Money and Credit. As we have learned about that why money is an important mode of exchange, how the transaction is made so easier with the help of money. Now we are moving towards the credit, that how this credit has been provided to the people and how it is changing the life of the people. For this, we need to understand one method, that is the loan activities done by the bank. We know that illegally, not illegally basically, we can say that the indirect method of getting loan is from the relatives. That is like an informal sector from where you are getting the loans or credits. But firstly, we are going to learn about the formal method or formal uh, way to get the loans, and that is from the banks. So we need to understand the format, that how the banks are providing loans to the people or to the borrowers, we are saying. See, earlier we have studied about that what is demand deposit, what is your fixed deposits, right? Where you deposit certain amount into the bank, right? So now the question arises, what does the bank do to this money which is being kept over there? And if they are providing directly to the borrowers, then what is their own profit? So this is what we are going to understand. So you need to understand this thing. चलो हम यहाँ पे लेके चलते, that there are the lenders who is lending the money. Wait, let's change the color. Okay, there is the lenders. Okay, this is the bank, and we have the borrowers. Fine. So lenders are providing money to the bank, and then bank provide some amount of money to the borrowers. Fine. So firstly here you need to understand that बैंक जो बैंक जब lenders provide कर रहे हैं banks को money, so बैंक जो है वो उनको certain amount देता है, certain interest rate देता है. That interest rate is lower than the interest rate which is being taken from the borrowers. फाइन. सो जो इंटरेस्ट रेट बोरोअर से बैंक को मिलता है, मीन्स जब वो रीपेमेंट करेंगे लोन को, तो उस टाइम पे जो वो इंटरेस्ट रेट देंगे, दैट विल बी हायर. अब ये तो हायर हो गया, एंड उसी मनी पे जो बैंक है जब वो लेंडर को वापस देगा, तो जो इंटरेस्ट रेट है वो लोअर रहेगा. सो जो इन दोनों दोनों इंटरेस्ट रेट, हायर इंटरेस्ट रेट एंड लोअर इंटरेस्ट को हम जब सेपरेट करेंगे, तो जो अमाउंट बचता है, दैट अमाउंट इज द प्रॉफिट ऑफ द बैंक. अंडरस्टूड? सो लेंडर्स प्रोवाइडिंग मनी टू बैंक, और ऐसा नहीं है कि सारा का सारा पैसा बैंक जो है वो बोरोअर्स को दे रहा है. द बैंक कीप सर्टेन अमाउंट एज द सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट विद देमसेल्फ, दैट इन केस कोई लेंडर अगर अपना पैसा विड्रॉ करने आ जाता है, सो दे हैव सर्टेन मनी विद देम टू प्रोवाइड इट. Rest is being used for loan activities which is being given to the borrowers on the high interest rate than the interest rate which is provided to the money lenders. I hope this activity is understood by you all. Okay. So now how the loans is being given to you, it is not like that कि आप जब भी बैंक जा रहे हैं आपको लोन मिल जाएगा. मीन्स वट एवर हु एवर यू आर, वट एवर यू डू, you are getting the loan from the bank. Now it is somewhat easier, but still we have to provide certain terms of conditions and terms of credits to the bank. And what are the terms of credits? You can see we need to provide collaterals. We should have the documentation requirements, terms of loans, mode of repayment, and the rate of interest. So these are the terms of credit which need to be provided to the bank. Starting from number 1, that is the collateral society security. What do you mean by collateral? Anyone? Yes. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns and uses this as the guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid. मीन्स जब भी आप अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा एसेट है जिसको आप गिरवी रख सकते हैं, हिंदी में हम इसको गिरवी बोला जाता है, गिरवी रख सकते हैं to take certain loan on behalf of that commodity. Means like you can talk about gold है, property papers है, even your vehicle है, आप इनके basis पे भी इनको रख के डिपॉजिट करवा के इनके ऊपर लोन उठा सकते हैं. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, एज वी नो बैंक हमारे रिश्तेदार तो है नहीं जो हमें फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दे देंगे लोन, मतलब आप जितना पैसा चाहते हो भाई साहब आइए और ले जाइए. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ बोरिंग with all the terms and condition must be submitted. Means whatever they need, Aadhaar card, PAN card, other your address proof, whatever documentations they are asking for, you need to submit that. Then only they will do the procedure, verify the papers, and then they will provide you with the loans. Interest rate, the borrowers has to pay a sum of money as interest along with the principal amount. Means whatever amount you are taking as a loan, you have to pay certain interest rate on it according to the months or the years you are taking. The mode of repayment, that how you are going to repay the loan. It can be like you are paying annually, आप annually भी पे कर सकते हैं, आप installment में भी पे कर सकते हैं, आप चाहें तो lump sum amount पे कर दिया एंड रेस्ट आप बाद में देते रहें. इस तरीके से भी आप पेमेंट्स कर सकते हैं. सो दिस यू नीड टू क्लैरिफाई टू द बैंक दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रीपे दी अमाउंट. एनुअली आप एक बार पे ही सारा अमाउंट दे रहे हो, या एनुअली कुछ कुछ अमाउंट दे रहे हो, या इंस्टॉलमेंट में हर मंथली आप कुछ ना कुछ इंस्टॉलमेंट्स दे रहे हैं. सो दीज आर द मेथड्स दैट यू नीड टू क्लैरिफाई विद द बैंक्स दैट हाउ you are going to pay the loan. Fine. So I hope the loan activity is clear in your mind, that how the loan activity is being processed. Then what are the terms of conditions, means how you get the if you are fulfilling all these needs of the bank, then only you will be provided with the loan. I hope this is clear.